Hi, I'm Tim Kane, Director of Facilities and Transportation with the Department of Education. In an effort to provide every school district with the tools and resources you need to protect our students, our teachers, and our faculty during this pandemic, School Health Services with the Department of Education has purchased these foggers that can be used to disinfect commonly used surfaces in your facilities and your buses. These foggers can be picked up at your education cooperative in the middle of August. I hope that you will watch the following video to learn how to best use these devices to protect our students, our faculty, and our teachers. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Larry Smith. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Geneon Technologies, G-E-N-E-O-N. Geneon manufactures systems that produce a number of different solutions: a cleaning solution, cleaner, disinfecting, glass cleaner. In this position, what we're looking at is a mist unit. This is a mist that is going to be going to all your schools. And what we do with this is we're going to take a solution and we're going to put it into the compartment. And once that's done, we plug it in and you can spray anything in your room. Now our mist unit is very, very simple. It has a little slider switch here, which can adjust the volume of the solution coming out. And you can also twist this a little bit because you want to get a certain, you want more of a fog than a mist, because the fog will stay in the air. And the nice thing about when it stays in the air is it's going to be attracted to the viruses, COVID-19 or whatever else that's out there, and it's going to be attracted to it and it's going to kill it. And then afterwards it's going to fall down onto the table and do a good job as far as doing that. So this is our mist sprayer blower. We have 275, I believe, going out to your different locations, and it's very, very effective as far as getting across all different rooms and all different areas. We use quite a few of these in schools in general, but also dentist's office. Dentists are very concerned. They had to shut down for a long period of time. Every person that comes in has their mouth open, and needless to say, there's a lot of viruses, pathogens being spread out. So they use this, and 2 minutes later, 3 minutes later, after spraying a room, the people can come into the room and there's no problem at all. What you're going to be using in this system is a disinfectant. It's going to be probably hypochlorous acid, will be hypochlorous acid, and you'll have a number of different ways of choosing which solution you want, whether it's a liquid solution, whether it's a tablet, or whether you're even going to make your own on your own site. So this is our biggest and bestest unit. You can see you've got a strap here that you can put on if you'd like, and it's all ready to go. It's been charged. It takes about 3.5 hours to charge it. Not a long period of time this day and age, but once you get it going, it'll be very effective as to doing what you need to do. So I'm just going to, I put a little bit of solution in here earlier, and I'm just going to turn it on and spray it so you can see the spray, and this is the kind of mist that you want. And you can hear the volume going up and down as I increase or decrease the amount of solution coming out. But there's no reason that you can't keep it on high. So when you want to do a classroom, you can walk down the classroom like this on one side, then just turn around and come back and do the other side. And again, you notice that I'm spraying up in the air. And again, that's because I want to kill the viruses that are up there floating around. Put your hand in front of it. You'll feel a little damp. But when it settles on the surface, after about a minute, it won't be there anymore. And you won't smell it in the air because it's dissipated. The solution you're going to be putting into this system, wants to be a gas, so it's going to dissipate. So it's almost a perfect solution as far as using in your classrooms, in your school offices, your gyms, your locker rooms. You need to clean first. Okay, you need to remove that biomass. And that's where the bacteria, the viruses, and the pathogens hide. And they grow and they fester. So you do your normal cleaning. I insist on that because it's the only way that this program is going to be effective. And then go through and spray. And if you spray your cloth when you clean, don't spray your surfaces, because when you spray like that, you're pushing the bacteria off into the air. So spray your cloth, wipe the surface, and then come in and use the mist unit. and it will do a good job for you. You don't need to wipe it down afterwards, because when it sits here on this table, it's actually killing. So the nice thing is we've already killed all the viruses in the air, and anything that's left as far as hypochlorous or whatever solution we use is going to settle onto this table and kill the viruses out of there. And just leave the room and let nature do its thing, and letting the area dry, and your work is done.